ठीक है, लाइव ले रहा हूँ, लाइव है।
हाँ जी, डन डन डन।
Hi guys, we are live again. I hope all of you are doing fine and a very good evening. Sorry again for the delay. Just fixing some sound issues that you're facing. Right. So, how many of you have basically solved what we learned yesterday, right? Like personalizing the prompt, getting your work done. How many of you, basically what was taught yesterday, right? How many of you have implemented whatever was taught yesterday? Just let me know quickly in chat. Yes, why, like I have did it, something of that would help. Let me know other students are joining. And yes, Rishabh sir is also here, like if you can see that I'm not going to teach you, of course, right? So I'm just here to, okay, it's echoing. Can anybody confirm?
Not yet live.
Okay, so now please check if you can hear me. I guess now that issue should be solved. The echo sound should be solved. Like some or other thing has to happen, right? Okay, so okay, just let me know now. I have,
Check.
okay, please check. Okay, great. Thank you. Right. So 82 students now, I guess more are joining. So I guess Rishabh, over to you and we can start off. And again, as we did yesterday, right? At the end, we are going to have the quiz and we have sorted the issue of the timer. So please stick till the end. If you have your friends, get them along because today is just going to be more and more practical. Less of theory and more of practical.
Yep.
Right. So over to you, Rishabh.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Hey everyone. Hi guys. How are you? Chanta, कैसे हो? Let's continue. Okay, cool. So first of all, yeah, all the non-tech janta in the chat, give me a cheers. All the non-tech janta. आज non-tech वालों का दिन है. So yes, non-tech in the chat. Come on guys. है कोई non-tech से? नहीं है, सारे tech वाले बैठे हैं यहाँ. Maybe we can do one thing that let us revise for whatever we have done in last 2 days, and then we'll continue forward. And today, what we will be doing. So first of all, we will be seeing the Chat GPT 4, right? So today, each and everything that we would be doing is on Chat GPT 4, and we would be, getting our AI model to get our work done, right? So we won't be doing any work, and we would be asking our AI model to do each and everything that we want to do, right? So do you watch anime? No man, I don't watch. I don't watch anime, right? Okay, ये तो नाइंसाफी है. अरे why नाइंसाफी? टेक के लिए कल का दिन है. टेक के लिए कल का दिन है, राइट? टेक के लिए कल का दिन है. Today's day is for non tech, right? For tech we have a day tomorrow, right? टेक वालों के लिए कल का दिन है. डोंट वरी. सो टेक वालों, तुम्हारी नंबर भी आएगा, ठीक है? ये क्रोम थीम नेम्स, या ओके कूल. So let us now first quickly recap what we have done for the past 2 days. Like what is the Chat GPT, what is prompt engineering, and that's like what we have done for past 2 days. So basically, first of all, we have seen like what Chat GPT is and how Chat GPT can make our work easier and like whatnot. So let me first tell you that ChatGPT is not a searching tool. First of all, ChatGPT is a conversational tool, right? As just like the normal conversation that we do with our friend, right? So ChatGPT is there acting as our friend, right? ChatGPT is there acting as our friend, and we can just have a conversation with ChatGPT, and we can make him understand like what all scenarios, what all problems are we facing, and how to solve that problem, basically, right? So Chat GPT is something which is always present there, acting as our friend, and which can help us in getting our problem solved, right? But all we need to do is that we need to make him understand what is the exact problem that we are facing, right? And how we can make that like how we can make our problem very clear to Chat GPT. So that thing is we can say or not. Let's not go specific with the Chat GPT. Let's take AI models, right? Let's not go specific with Chat GPT. So I can say AI model, right? So AI model. So what is the AI model? AI model is acting as your friend, which is always there to help you out in any kind of problem that you are in. That problem can be related to your tech background. That problem can be related to your non-tech background, all those things. Now, how these AI models and Google, they are different, right? So when it comes to the Google, so Google takes you a ocean of links where Google leads you, and Google says that okay, find your answer on or like your own way, right? But that is not the case with the AI models. When it comes to the AI model, that is not the case, right? Why that is not the case? Because AI models give you a precise answer, right? They comes to you, they come back to you with a precise answer, right? And then, and of course, it's a better thing, right? If someone is coming back to you with the right answer that you want, that is of course a better thing, right? So when it comes to the I can say purpose of like AI model versus Google. So they are totally like different purposes. So AI model is something which takes you to your precise right answers that you want, and Google is something which takes you to a ocean of links where you have to find your own answer, right? When it comes to the input, so Google always takes your input as a query. Yeah, of course, man. This session is like this session. Yes, of course, this session will also be like useful for tech guys as well, because we would be seeing how to write a code by using an image, right? So आज हम एक image से code लिखना सीखेंगे, how we can write a code by using an image, and of course we can like data scientist जो data analyst वगैरह हैं यहाँ पे, if there is any data analyst or data scientist sitting over here, so उनके लिए भी it is a useful session, right? So we would be creating our graphs by using CSV files and all those things. Today we will be doing all those things, right? Okay. So now let's come to the input. So Google takes your input as a query param, right? But when it comes to ChatGPT or maybe any other AI tool, so any other AI tool that takes your input in a conversational style, right? And if the AI model does not understand what you are trying to say, it simply asks you the follow-up question, right? It simply asks you the follow-up question. So again, the difference between the input style of Google and like AI model is basically Google takes your input as a query string, whereas AI model takes your input as a conversational style manner, in a conversational style manner, right? And when it comes to the output, right? When it comes to the output, again, Google gives you an ocean of links where you can, you have to find your own answer. Whereas the AI models, they can give you a your like desired output, right? Scope. When it comes to the scope is a thing where Google wins, as because Google is in the market since a long time, and the AI models are recently like growing in the market. So of course, AI model have a limited scope as of now, but yes, for the future of it, AI model can of course surpass the Google over there as well, right? So when it comes to the purpose, input and output, AI models are far ahead of Google, and when it comes to the scope, Google is far ahead of AI models, right? So I guess it is okay. Yes, guys. So this is the importance, or maybe I can say this is like what AI model does, and like what is the difference between AI model and Google that we have today. Cool. Now comes the website layout and interface. This we have already discussed. Not going to discuss this right now. Effectively creating the prompts, right? So yes. What is the effective way of creating creating the prompt? Let's see it over here, right? So there are three like some principles of creating a prompt effectively, right? So what are the principle of how to do assignment? That maybe you can ask it, Prasad sir. I'm not the right person to answer this, maybe. Right. So yes, how there are three principles of prompt engineering that you have to be specific with like whatever you want to ask. Right. You always have to work in different steps. Now, what do I mean by work in different steps? Basically, when you have a like large problem, you always have to break that problem into small chunks, right? Why you have to break that problem into small chunks? Because it might be difficult for like any AI model to understand large huge paragraph, right? And if you break that paragraph into simple, smaller chunks, then it is very easy for any AI model to understand what exactly you are trying to say, right? So always like break your work, right? Always work in step-by-step format, and always try to reiterate if you are not getting your desired output, or if you feel like yes, there can be something else that can be added to my like output, you can always reiterate to your question, right? And then comes your what makes a good prompt. You should be clear and concise with your language that you are using. Try to act like to like give some persona to your AI model that you might be acting as a JavaScript console, you might be acting as a 10 years experienced front-end developer, you might be acting as a 10 years experience full stack developer and stuff like that, right? So if you are giving this type of persona, your model will give you more like interesting, I can say, the outputs to you guys, right? And before like having any doubt, before like giving any question, it is always recommended that okay, you can give a prior examples or some information like okay, this is the sample uh, output which I want, right? You can always give a sample output to your model so that it can give you a your desired output, like what exactly you want, what is the format that you want your output in, right? Then comes the refinement, right? Refinement again is a reiteration over your prompt to get your desired output, to get your more to get output like more accurately. Okay, and main prompting steps. This is so it's done, fine, cool, and then we have we have studied about like prompt trimming, right? What is prompt trimming? Basically, again, when we are defining some certain set of information, right? Some certain set of rules, right? Like this, I want my answer like this, right? So that is what a prompt trimming. So before asking him to do his task, before asking the AI model to do its task, we are defining like how I want the AI model to do certain tasks, right? So when you define something before generating the response, right? When you define something before AI model generates its response, that is something which is known as the prompt trimming, right? And now these are some examples, starters, and fine. You can look at you because this is a revision kind of a thing that what we have done in like past few days. And now comes the certain I can say types of like prompting, right? So there are different types of prompting. One is like short prompting. So when it comes to short prompting, there are three subtypes of short prompting. That is one shot prompting, sorry, zero prompting, zero shot prompting, one shot prompting, and okay, perspective prompting. Okay, fine. I'll explain that once again, no issues. So one is zero shot prompting, one shot prompting, and few shot prompting. So zero shot prompting means where no prior set of instruction is provided to an AI model before generating the response, right? One shot prompting is that when we have given one prior instruction to our AI model before generating its response, and few shot prompting is when we provide a different set of instructions, right? Different set of instructions to our AI model before it generates its response. So this is a short prompting, right? This is a short prompting. Then comes chain of thought prompting, right? So what does chain of thought prompting do basically? So if you want something that okay, I have a question and I don't want answer directly. I don't want to jump to the answer directly, but I want my AI model to answer me in step-by-step format, right? So chain of thoughts, right? So there is always a chain of thoughts prompting, right? So what we can do, we can ask our AI model, okay, so this is my problem. Don't directly answer me. Don't directly respond me on this problem, but give me a step-by-step, right? Give me a step-by-step, like I can say your this thing, explanation of this particular problem, right? So that is what a chain of thought prompting, right, does over here. Now comes the other thing is, what else we have? So yes, we have tabular form prompting. So if I want my answer in a tabular form, so of course you can do it like this, ask before answering prompting. So of course, right, what does ask before answering prompting do? As the name itself signifies that, okay, it is something which is saying me that, okay, I have given you a problem. Now, don't directly answer me, right? Don't directly answer me. First, understand my problem, analyze it on your own, and if you have any doubts, right? If you have any doubts regarding to my problem, if my problem is not clear to you, and you feel like that I can provide certain more inputs to you, right? So you can always ask him to ask some questions before you give me the answer, right? So this is ask me before answering prompting, right? Okay, cool. Now comes my fill in the blank prompting. Okay, so this is also like name itself suggests that, okay, suppose now I have $100 and I want to invest it somewhere. So where I can invest that thing, right? So yes, this is again a fill in the blank type of prompting. Yesterday, okay, fine, cool. Now comes what? Perspective prompting, right? So किसका doubt था perspective prompting का? Please see it over here. Perspective prompting is basically I want answer, right? I want answer from whose perspective or from what perspective, right? मुझे जो answer चाहिए वो answer किसके perspective में होगा, right? With with what perspective or from whose perspective I want the answer. Suppose I am asking my chat GPT, I am asking my chat GPT that, oh, maybe an AI model that, okay, I want to prepare for a front end interview, right? I want to prepare for a front end interview and I don't know what type of questions the interviewer will gonna ask me. So what your task is basically, your task is that please give me some sample interview question or maybe most frequently asked interview question from the perspective of 15 years experience front-end developer, right? So now ChatGPT will give you the list, right? ChatGPT will give you the list of questions from the perspective of 15 years experience front-end developer, right? Like what questions a 15 years experience front-end developer can ask you in your front-end interview, right? So this is what a perspective prompt is कि मुझे जो आंसर चाहिए वो किसके perspective में चाहिए, right? किसके perspective में चाहिए. Then comes my comparative prompting again. Comparative नाम से पता लग रहा है कि भाई it's just for like comparison between the two things, right? So if you want to compare two things like Apple and Microsoft or maybe like iOS and Android, so you can use the comparative prompting basically. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I don't think so. You would be able to download this PPT. I'm not sure. I just have to think. Um, maybe let me figure it out. How can you have this PPT? But because as of now, it's a view mode only. So I guess I have to give certain permissions for you to download it, right? So maybe let me figure it out. How, right? Cool. Okay. Right, then this is something that we have learned for the past 2 days, like what is how to write a I can say prompt, right? How to write a prompt basically. This is something that we have done for the last 2 days कि भाई prompt हमें कैसे लिखना है. What is the right way of writing the prompt? What is the right way of writing the prompt? Let us now come to the ChatGPT, right? So अपन लोग ChatGPT पे आते हैं and let us now do the ChatGPT 4 part. Okay. ठीक है. So yes, this is what a ChatGPT 4 looks like, right? This is what my ChatGPT 4 looks like, right? So ChatGPT 4 हमें कैसा दिख रहा है? ऐसा कुछ मतलब same सा structure ही होता है, but we have certain additional things, right? We have certain additional things. एक minute. Okay, so we have certain additional things with my ChatGPT 4 basically. That is, with ChatGPT 4, I can use all these features, right? That is default version. I can use the Bing वाला part, right? तो Bing वाला जो मेरे को बोल रहे थे, Bing हम Bing से करते हैं. You can use it over here as well. For data analysis, can I get? Yes, of course you can get ChatGPT 4. All you have to do is you have to pay for it. Of course, right? You have to pay for ChatGPT 4. It's like $23, right? It's $23 per month. So $23 is, I guess, 1900 rupees, right? So 1900 rupees per month you have to pay. But yes, it is worth. It is worth paying. It is worth paying, right? Okay, cool. So now comes advanced data analysis, right? If you want to analyze any kind of data, right? So suppose let me choose this option, advanced data analysis, right? So let me tell you the difference. What is the difference? Hi Kushbu, let me tell you the difference, right? So when it is set on default mode, just see over here, this thing. Let me zoom it a bit. Let me zoom it a bit. See over here, this part, right? So I can attach images only. Over here, I can attach images only, right? When I'm using the default version. When I'm using default version of it, right? It's allowing me only to upload a certain images over here and then to ask a prompt, right? And then to ask a prompt. But if I am going with suppose advanced data analysis, right? If I'm going with advanced data analysis, now this image icon is changed to the plus icon. Plus icon means I can attach certain files, right? And these files can be like of, you can attach a document, maybe a docs file, you can attach a CSV file, you can attach an Excel file, you can attach a like JavaScript file, you can attach a C++ file, like any file. Text file also you can attach over here. So it is giving you an option, to attach different files over here, and while attaching that file, right, you can get the data analysis over that particular file, and which we are going to do today, right? Then we have a plugins. Version over here. Now, what does this plugin versions do? right? What does this plugin do over here? So basically, it has a set of plugins, right? It has a set of plugins and it has a plugin store as well. So now basically what this plugin do? What this plugin do? So suppose you want something specific, right? So maybe for an example, let us take I am a housewife. Suppose I am a housewife, and what I want to try new ingredients daily. Right? I want to try new ingredients daily. I want to cook new things daily. And what I need to do? Please let us access to the download. Okay, guys. Maybe like in the tomorrow session, I'll fix that downloading part of PPT. Okay, now don't spam. Welcome. Don't spam. Welcome, Surya. Don't spam. Right? What I'll do in the next part? Let me see how can you fix your this PPT download wala issue, right? In the next class, maybe you would be able to download your PPT. Okay, cool. So now, suppose I am a housewife and I want to cook new ingredient. I want to cook new food daily basis, right? On the daily basis, but I don't have time to watch a complete YouTube video, to watch a complete tutorial, right? So what I can do, what I can do basically, I can install a plugin, right? I have a plugin over here. So maybe let me show you what plugin is there. So I have a plugin over there that is tasty recipes. Tasty recipes. So if I install this plugin over here, right? And if I now ask ChatGPT that okay, what you do, just uh suggest me some recipe with paneer, right? Suggest me some recipe with paneer, right? मुझे पनीर के साथ कुछ recipe suggest करो. So what it will do, it will use this plugin. It will use this tasty plugin, right? Tasty recipes plugin, right? And it will give you the recipes. See, we have shahi paneer. Network error. Network error. Why network error? Okay, let's start it again. So suggest me some recipes uh, with paneer, right? Suggest me some recipes with paneer. Okay, so let's see now. Yep, shahi paneer. कूल है. इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या क्या लगेंगे उसमें? चैट जीपीटी 4 में वॉइस हाँ है. वॉइस इनपुट का भी है. Even you can generate voices, right, from ChatGPT. Let us generate. Wait, you can convert. Right? You can convert also. We'll do that. Don't worry. We'll do that. Don't worry. Right? So it has suggested me something, right? It has suggested me something. And if you want more details over Shahi Paneer, you can just simply click over it. You can simply click over it and see its beauty. See, you can directly download it from over here. Right? See, this is the beauty. Yeah, showing it once again. Once again, I'm showing it. And that this thing you cannot do. This thing you cannot do without plugins. Let me show you. Wait. Let me open a new chat. And let's do one thing. So first of all, let me tell you how to add plugins, right? Let me tell you how to add plugins. Okay. So just click on this ChatGPT 4 part. Click on this ChatGPT 4 again. If you have ChatGPT version, right? If you have ChatGPT version 4. So click on this ChatGPT 4, right? Present over here, and then click on this plugins, right? Then you would be seeing a drop down over here, right? Then click on this drop down and go to this plugin store. Right? And you can find like lots of plugins. You can find lots of plugins over here. See, there are lots of plugins. You just have to install these plugins and start start using it, right? You just have to install these plugins and you can start using these plugins, right? Suppose I am using a plugin called this tasty recipes, right? I am using a plugins called tasty recipes. Oh my what are plugins? So basically plugin is something which makes your life easier. That's it, right? Plugins is something which makes your life easier. Khatam. ठीक है call me poor in okay, cool. So we have this tasty plugin installed, and let me ask my question. So my question was, suggest me some recipes with paneer. So yes. So all the housewives attending my live session, I've made your life easier, man. See, now, now, now you can make new recipes. You can try new recipes every day. ठीक है? तो all the housewives in the chat, if we upload some document like yes, it can do that. What about the data security? Arey, see man, see, Yash. See, when it comes to security now, what do you think? If resume is present in your device, your phone, is it secured? No, right? It is not secured at all. Okay, okay. Whether you know it or you don't know it, right? Doesn't matter. You are always under surveillance of some third person, sitting behind your cell phone and watching your cell phone continuously. Okay, that's the fact of today's era. इसको जितना जल्दी समझ लोगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा. If you guys on Facebook, Insta, social media account, right? It is there. It is there. एक example है. एक example बहुत basic example है. It is a basic example, right? That suppose suppose you say okay Google or you say hey Siri, right? Okay Google or maybe hey Siri, right? So your phone gets triggered, right? Your phone gets triggered. But do you know how it is being getting triggered? It is getting triggered with that particular word, and that is okay Google for Android and hey Siri for iPhone, right? But it is getting triggered with these words, right? And how your device is like, how your device comes to know that okay you have said this word means somewhere it is monitoring you continuously. It is listening to you continuously. Getting my point? What I'm trying to say. समझो इस बात पे यार. तुम्हारा डिवाइस तुम्हें हमेशा 24/7 it is listening you. Right? अभी ये जो मेरा सेशन चल रहा है, अगर मेरा फोन पास में पड़ा हुआ है, मेरा फोन मेरे को सुन रहा है. And anybody can leak this session. मतलब although public है, but yes, he is listening me all the time. Right? So security आज की डेट में भूल जाओ भाई. Sorry. Being a software developer, I can say this thing that yes, security आज की डेट में नहीं. That is a myth. Security is a myth. Business. Anyways, come back. So yes, now suppose I am writing the same prompt. Right? In normal, in, in normal this thing without enabling this plugin, right? I am writing my prompt, right? Without enabling any plugin. So see what type of answer I get. See what type of answer am I getting? Yeah, that was Samsung S20 FE 5G. See, I am getting it like this only. I am getting it like this. Deepfake AI. Okay. So see, this is the difference. So let us compare. Let us compare the plugin version of this ChatGPT and a without plugin version of ChatGPT. So when it comes to this plugin version, so you can see that what happened. So you can see it has also provided me with some links so that I can click on this link and I can get a detailed overview of it, right? But when we are using without plugins, it is just giving me a set of, that's it, right? So Can we get unlimited API key? Not unlimited, of course. There's a certain number of that you can, but yes, a lot more. तुम्हारी जिंदगी आसान हो जाएगी इतना, ठीक है? Okay, cool. So this was one of the plugins, right? This was one of the plugins. Suppose, okay, let us try speech guide. Let us try speech guide. ठीक है? Speech guide try करते हैं. And what does speech guide plugin do? Let me first make you understand what does this speech guide plugin does for me, right? So it converts my text into the speech. It converts my text into the speech. So now suppose what is plugin? अरे यार, मैं plugins कैसे बताऊं तुम्हें? What is plugin? Okay, let ask ChatGPT. What question I skip? Say something about. Yeah, see, it's not about deep fake API, right? The session is not about that. That's why I skip your. And if you have noticed, then I have passed a smile over there. Okay, so fine. Yes, come on. So yeah, what is plugin? You can ask from ChatGPT itself, right? Maybe he can answer better than me. What is plugin? So plugin is something which makes your life very easier, like a basic definition. Okay, cool. So now, what does this speech card does is basically it converts AI in Excel. Doing it today. AI Excel doing it. ChatGPT में हम लोग Excel को ला करके बहुत सारी चीजें करने वाले हैं आज. We are doing it today. Okay, so let me ask him that. Okay, convert this text into maybe a speech, right? And what is the what is my text? Text is, hi, my name is Rishabh Sharma. Hi, my name is Rishabh Sharma. Fine, right? So this is my text, and I want him to convert my text into this thing. Where your laptop, I can see a board which place. Bro, where your laptop? I only see a bottle. Yeah, it's a bottle. So yeah, audio is ready. You can listen the converted text to speech audio by clicking here. So let's click on here. Where I have clicked. So let's click over here and let us try to listen, right? What it has done. Okay, so maybe I can log in it with Google. You have zero free voice generation. Uh-oh. Unfortunately, I'm sorry guys. I can't show you. I need to upgrade to premium. But yes, it does work, right? It does work. Maybe by chance मेरा वो खत्म हो गया trial version. So anyways, if you want to convert any kind of text, to your speech, you can use this plugin. So what is the plugin name? Plugin name is Speech Kai. Right? SPECHKI. Speech Kai. So you can use this plugin, right? And you can like convert your any kind of text to the speech. Okay, cool. Now, one word domain. What does this one word domain does? Okay. So basically, suppose you are planning maybe a startup, right? You are planning a startup and you don't know what kind of domains, right? Or maybe the domain which you are searching, the domain which you feel like, okay, I want this domain for my website, whether that particular domain is available right now or not, right? Whether that particular domain is available right now or not. So you can always use this plugin over here, right? Okay, we have like one word domain. We have a one word domains over here, and we can just ask him that, okay, fine. Let us do one thing that, okay, is इसी का लेते हैं. Is ये वाला domain, right? Copy this and is this domain available? Is this domain available? Let us ask ChatGPT कि भाई क्या ये See? is not available, right? So yes, this domain is not available. How many plugins we can use? And also at a time you are only allowed to use 3 plugins. You are only allowed to use 3 plugins at a time, right? Suppose maybe you want to use more plugins. So what you have to do at a time, it will only allow you to use 3 plugins. Now suppose if I try to add some more, it says that okay, 3/3 enable. So I need to disable some plugin. To use some other plugin. Right? That is okay. Let us try this Coopert. Coopert. So what this Coopert will do? This Coopert helps you in finding the coupons. ये coupons find करने के काम आता है. Okay. So let us try finding some coupons on Let's Upgrade. Right. So find the best suited coupons for Let's Upgrade course. Let's try doing it. Yes. Sir, सावंत सर कूपन लगवाओ अपने कोर्सेज पे. तो जनता, let's upgrade do not have any coupons as of now. So it is telling me that okay, let's upgrade don't have any coupons.
Right.
That's really cool.
Yeah, so currently, like we asked, like we'll start giving coupons on the performance of the students. So you will see a few coupons. Like what happens is they spread like wildfire.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is there. So we have some coupons, but I guess they'll have to find their work. Like they'll have to do their own research. There are a few coupons going here and there.
Cool. So guys, see it's working, right? Can we ask recipes with videos, links, and yes, we can ask recipes with video links as well. No worries. सब कर सकते हैं जनता, सब कर सकते हैं. Is it possible to get a free Windows? No, man. No. If you try to do that, then ChatGPT will say that okay, you are trying something illegal, right? You are trying something illegal, and ChatGPT will say that okay, I don't do piracy. Okay, looks like we have been any type of developer or analyst with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, exactly, man. Now just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. Something interesting is about to happen in this session. Okay, no worries. Even the non-tech guys sitting over here, they can do coding, right? Today they'll start coding, right? They'll start coding today. No worries. Okay, so let us try finding some coupons. Okay, so suggest me best suited coupons for GoDaddy. कि भाई GoDaddy पे कोई कूपन है कि नहीं है? Yeah, we have coupons. We have coupons on GoDaddy. Yep. So this is the coupon code. See, कहीं नहीं जाना. You have to you don't need to go anywhere. Yes. It helps you in developing your apps and websites. But it does it in chunks and pieces, right? You again have to arrange them, right? You have to collect them. It will give you bits and pieces, but you have to collect them yourself. So see how many coupon GoDaddy is offering. Okay, so now see. Firstly, it gave me all the coupons, and now it is asking me that okay, are you looking for a specific type of service from GoDaddy, like a domain registration or web hosting or something else? Do you have budget in mind or specific requirement that I can assist you with? Okay, let's go on. Let's try to chat more. Okay. Yes, I am planning a domain registration, right? Domain registration, and my budget is 2,000 rupees can you please help me out in finding the best deals? Let's see what does it replies. Let's see. Certainly with the budget of 2000 rupees, we have definitely registered a domain. Fine, okay, somewhere here the coupon codes might help you saving your money. So yes, it is telling me okay that these are the coupon codes that might help you. uh okay, I'm sharing my LinkedIn profile. It's there. Kumar, I have shared my LinkedIn profile. I can let me spam. I can spam, nobody else. Only I can spam, nobody else. Okay, cool. Right? So see, earlier it gave me a list of coupons. Now it has given me a chunk of coupon, right? Maybe 2 or 3 coupons. And yes, cool. Is it fine? Is it fine? Let us try some different plugin, right? Let us try some different plugin. Let us try some different plugin. Okay, cool. Maybe we can try Expedia. Let's try Expedia. Now, what does Expedia do? Let me make you understand. What does Expedia have a prompt to write algorithm for a specific problem? Yeah. See, tech part. I already said that tech part is something that we are going to do tomorrow. Tech part is something that we are going to do tomorrow. Yes, it is. Yes, maybe not today's data, but yes, maybe this year's. This year's, yes, this year's. Okay. Okay, fine. So what does Expedia do? Expedia acts as your travel agent. Expedia acts as your travel agent. It's a travel agent, right? It's a travel. Okay, try finding a coupons without plugin. Okay, fine. Let us try finding a coupons without plugin. So let us remove this and maybe it will give you, but let's see. What was the prompt? Come on. भाई क्या है? Why so slow? Yeah. Copy it and paste it. Let's see now. See, can you see this? Whose question? Try finding a coupons without plugin. Avatar. See the reply. Happy? Got the advantage of plugins? Got the advantage of plugins? See, so ChatGPT has some preset like data, right? It is trained on some data, and that data is very huge. That data is very huge, right? Okay, right. So it has a data over there, and that data is continuously updating day by day. That data is continuously updating day by day, right? That data is continuously updating day by day, and from there it has the data. Or maybe to your question only, let me ask a counter question. Let me ask a counter question. कि भाई गूगल के पास कहाँ से आई? Where did Google have that data? Right? Right. Let you be my data structure trainer, and I want you learn data structure. Name, and you need to provide the answer in following way. Yeah, ready. Try giving it to ChatGPT. Try giving it to ChatGPT. Right? Okay. Yes, already checked it out. Fine, cool. Can ChatGPT 4 suggest us the better ways to generate some animations from the videos? Maybe not. Videos something which maybe not. But yes, animations and videos no. How can we just use honey? ठीक है. So honey मैंने कई बार यूज किया भाई, but I don't feel like कि भाई वो इतना काम का है. To be very honest, honey. मेरे पास है plugin honey का ना. Let me show it to you. मेरे पास है यहाँ पे honey है. Honey ये रहा, right? Honey का ये रहा. Honey is already there, but I don't feel like it is much worth it. It's not respond that don't access. Yeah, of course. So there is this line is very bad. Okay, you can leave. Sova, you can leave, no issues. You can leave, Sova. If you feel like this is very bad, you can leave right away. And I'll make sure that you will not get the certificate. I'll make sure this thing. Okay, cool now. Fine. So yes, now we were talking about Expedia, right? So as I said that Expedia is something that is acting as your travel agent, right? Expedia is something that is acting. Yeah, what is Delhi? So Delhi is something that deals with images. Delhi is something that deals with images, right? So Expedia से हम क्या पूछ सकते हैं? Maybe suggest some best hotels in Delhi for a stay of uh, 4 days, maybe a 4 days, right? Let's see now. Let's see. Let's see. No. Haven't decided yet? No worries. I can still explain hotels. Okay. To provide you with best options, may I know the specific dates you are planning to stay? Okay, cool. See, it would have given me some random hotels, but no. It is asking me the dates, right? It is asking me the dates. Okay, so dates are 20th, 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of this month. Let's see now. Yeah. Can you show me taking screenshot and after and asking CSS system code really later on? Yeah, of course, we'll do it today, Kiran. We'll do it today. From images, we will be generating a code. Of course, yes. Unket. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry. Text to speech pre-application for Windows can register. I didn't get your point. What you're trying to say. So see, it is giving me, right? It is giving me. तो इसने मुझे कौन से होटल दिए? The Leela Palace, New Delhi, right, which is a 5-star hotel located near the airport and the luxurious stay, right? It has like features 4 restaurant, full service spa, and out of 5. Guest rating is 9.6 out of 10 based on 985 ratings. Cool है. Average nightly price. भाई ये तो काट से बाहर है. ये तो काट से बाहर है. ठीक है. So also it is giving me the location, right? It is close to like Greater Clash Market, Nehru Place, and like तीन मूर्ति भवन के आसपास है कहीं. Fine. And Hotel SB Guest House. So you can say 15% overhead. Its rating is 10 by 10 based on the 2 reviews. Only 2 reviews are there, right? And average nightly stay is like 22.46 USD is fine. Cool है. And Shangri-La, whatever it is. So this can be average rating. See, it is giving me each and everything. No, Kumar, ChatGPT 4 is more advanced. More advanced than your this thing, ChatGPT 3.5. It is updated than ChatGPT 3.5. It is updated. Fine. So now I hope that the plugin version of ChatGPT 4 is clear to each and everyone over here. Is it? Yes or no in the chat? Hurry up, Janta. Yes or no? Plugin version of ChatGPT 4. Yes. Yes or no in the chat. And if it's clear, then we'll move further. No worries. We'll do that. Sir, my electricity supply has been cut off. Oh my god. Maybe you can pay the electricity bill. Cool. Yes. Okay. Now, all the data scientists in the house, come. Let's analyze some data. All the data scientists in the house, let's analyze some data. Maybe I need some sample CSV file for that. Sample CSV file for data analysis. Yeah. So let's get some sample CSV file for my data analysis and all the data analytics, all the data scientists. Yes, start Excel. Yes, I'm starting Excel. I'm starting Excel, guys. I'm starting Excel. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yes. So let's download a zip file of like this 100 customers, right? Zip file of like numbers and like details of 100 customers over here, right? And let's analyze it. Let's analyze it. So ask ChatGPT like how to get all the courses of programming books for free. maybe you can ask that. Maybe you can ask that yourself, right? Okay, let me tell you one more plugin. So for this programming books for free wala part, we have a plugin over there, right? We have one more plugin over there. Let me tell you that as well. So you can use this edX. You can use this edX. As you can see, what does edX do? edX is a find courses and content from leading universities to expand your knowledge at any level, right? So edX is always there. edX is always there, right? edX is always there. And let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. Let's upgrade को मैंने edX से ढूंढा था. I have find let's upgrade from edX. Okay, I was scrolling my edX and I found the let's upgrade over edX and from let's like edX I found let's upgrade. Right. So yes, edX is something that can help you in like searching for courses and like programming books and all those things, right? So you can use this plugin edX over here, right? Okay, cool. Now we was going with this thing. Okay, just a minute. Let me extract that file. Yep. Come on, कहाँ है? अच्छा ये रहा. Wait. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Extract all. Extract. Try again. What? Skip. Okay, wait. Just a minute, Janta. Something happened. Extract all. Extract. Why it is coming? Try again.
So you can just double click and it should open, I believe.
No, it's not getting open, and that's the problem. Wait, let me try copy and paste. Or maybe just give me a few minutes. Let's try with some other file. Maybe I have one with.
Meanwhile, guys, I guess how many of you are still with us? And I guess I can see around 170 people, right? So please go and hit the like button. And I guess Rishabh is doing a wonderful job. I can see the crowd sticking till now, right? And I believe everyone is going to try this and see a few things so that you are not disturbing Rishabh again. Whatever Rishabh has covered once is already recorded, so you can anytime scroll back into the video, see that again and come back to the live session, right? Or you can do it later so that we can keep covering the topics and you can get more and more examples rather than repeating the same stuff again and again. And yes, please ask sensible doubts, please ask productive doubts, do not spam the chat.
Yeah, guys, now okay, we are good to go, and let's try this. Okay, so what you have to do, so I have to analyze. It's not Rishabh, guys. Okay, it's Rishabh. Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh.
That is the pain of every Rishabh ever, I guess.
Yeah. I have one more pain. So what people do, people leave at B only. So they are like Rishab, and they
Rishabh.
don't put H in the last.
Correct.
So I have one more pain. Okay, cool. Come back, guys. Come back. Don't start. Okay, fine. So now, since we have to analyze the data, right? Since we have to analyze the data that is present inside my this thing, CSV file. भाई डबल लाइक नहीं करना, बस एक बार लाइक करना है. हेलो. ऐसा मत करो भाई, वो तुम्हारा लाइक बराबर हो गया. 2 बार लाइक मत करो, एक ही बार लाइक करो बस. Okay, so we have to select this data analyst wala part over here. So advanced data analysis part, right? And when you are selecting the advanced data analysis part over here, so I have this plus option, right? I have this plus option. So I just have to click on this plus option, right? And from my desktop, on customers 100. Yeah, I have this CSV file. Let me open this CSV file. So as you can see, that CSV file is now uploaded, right? This CSV file is now uploaded. Cool, cool. And now, okay. So hey, ये काम करते हैं, ठीक है? Let's try to do a fun. अब मैं हिंदी में पूछता हूँ इससे, ठीक है? अब मैं हिंदी में पूछता हूँ, थोड़ा फन करते हैं, ठीक है? चलो, तो भाई एक काम कर दे, मैंने तुझे एक I don't know why I'm doing this, but yes, I'm doing it. CSV फाइल दी है, क्या तू इस फाइल को समझ सकता है? ठीक है, सो मैंने लिखा है कि भाई काम कर दे, मैंने तुझे एक CSV फाइल दी है, क्या तू इस फाइल को समझ सकता है? मैंने से लिखा. Let's try to do a fun, right? Let's try to do a fun. बिल्कुल, मैं इस CSV फाइल को देखकर आपको बताता हूं कि इसमें क्या डेटा है. चलिए पहले इसे लोड करते हैं और देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या कंटेंट है. Shall I proceed in English or would you prefer Hindi? Right? Would you prefer Hindi? Yeah, okay. So, okay. Cool. Let's proceed in English. Let's proceed in English. ठीक है? Sir, is there any way to get child use child? No, yaar. No, man. There's no way of getting like it for free of course. Yeah. Again, coming back to English, guys. Coming back to English. No worries. Yep. Yes. I'm back to English. No worries. I'm back to English. See. So it has an index. It has a customer ID, first name, last name, city, country, phone number 1, phone number 2, email, subscription detail, and website. Okay, cool. There is an error. Why, man? Why error? So let's try again. Don't worry. Yep. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's ask him to group people belonging from same city or same country. First let's try grouping people who belongs to same country. Okay. So your task is to find whether there are like so maybe let's reprompt like so it might be a chance many people belong to same country, and if they belong to same country, then your task is to group all those people who belongs to the same country, and if you don't find any set of people belonging to same country, then just respond by saying no groups found. Let's see now. अब ये क्या करता है? Understood. I group the customers by country and list all the customers that belong to the same country. If no such group exists, that is, each customer is from different country, I'll let you know. Let's proceed with this. Cool, man. See. See the beauty. See the beauty, man. Right? Is it? Is it? Okay. Now let's ask him. Let's ask him. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now, can you return me the updated CSV file after grouping all the people by country? So, any other language we try? You can try any language, no issues. Would you like the groups to be sorted alphabetically by country name, or do you have any other specific? No. Just alphabetically की spelling में इसे उठा लेता हूँ. Copy and paste. Just alphabetically by country name. That's it. That's it. Yep, it's done, guys. It's done. Let's download the CSV. Let's download the CSV. Yep. Does the language thing work in? Yes, it works in 3.5 as well. Yes, the language thing works in 3.5 as well. No issues. No issues. Come on, let's open it. Let's open the CSV. Yes. Let's see, guys. ये देखो, ये CSV आई मेरी एक. Right, this is one CSV that I have with me, and let's analyze them. Come on, क्या हो गया? Yep. Sorry. So yes, we have this. See, अल्बेनिया इनसे कोई नहीं है. बाहामास से भी एक, यहाँ से दो है. सी, यहाँ से दो है, तो इसने दोनों को एक साथ ग्रुप कर दिया. राइट. बुल्गारिया से दो है, दोनों को एक साथ कर दिया. कनाडा से दो है, दोनों को एक साथ कर दिया. राइट. दो में लाइक, सो सी, इट इज ग्रुपिंग. राइट, इट इज ग्रुपिंग. ओमान से दो है, तो दोनों को कर दिया. नीदरलैंड से दो है, दोनों को कर दिया. राइट. सोलोमोन आइलैंड से चार हैं, इसने चारों को एक साथ ग्रुप कर दिया. इसने चारों को एक साथ ग्रुप कर दिया. श्रीलंका से दो है, दोनों को एक साथ ग्रुप कर दिया. इज इट? In office will be allowed. Yes, ma'am. See, in my company, in my company, this is necessary. ChatGPT is necessary. Even my company is reimbursing for this ChatGPT 4. They have reimbursed me. Right? So they have compelled every engineering guy to take it and use it. Why they're allowing this? Because this is saving the time. This is saving the manpower. Getting my point? If you apply your brain in coding something, it would take maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. If you use ChatGPT, 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours, that's it. I'm sorry, actually, मेरी थोड़ी तबीयत खराब है. No, but Gopal, first of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much to call me bhai. Because मुझे सच में sir नहीं पसंद. To be very honest, I don't like people calling me sir, right? Because I'm not of that age group. ठीक है, मुझे भाई पसंद है. So thank you so much for calling me bhai. And yeah, so I'll try my best to provide you the PPT. Maybe in the tomorrow session I'll get with the update of that PPT wala part, right? Fine. So I'll get back to you with that update. Okay. Let's ask him to plot a graph based on this data, right? Let's ask him to plot a graph based on this data, right? Oh, I forget that. मतलब I have not seen it. मैंने देखा नहीं था. Sorry. Okay, so can you plot a graph for me? Can you plot a graph for me on this, on the CSV I provided to you? Now see, absolutely, I can help you with that. Could you please plot the variables? Nice. Okay. No, I don't have any specific desire, right? Maybe you can load a few graphs on your own, right? Let's see now. Sure. So it is creating me a graph, right? Do you want to proceed? Yes. yes. Please proceed. I am excited to see the graph. Future of prompt engineering is very bright. Of course, I'll come to your college. No issues. Where is your college, man? Ask ask your maybe DP or HOD to contact with me, and I'll surely come to your college. So yes, I do workshops as well. I provide workshops as well. No issue. So see, man, see the beauty. Yep. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? Graph plot within a seconds. Graph plot within seconds. Write ChatGPT OP. Write ChatGPT OP in the chat if you feel like this is beautiful. Write ChatGPT OP in the chat. Guys, prompt engineering OP. ChatGPT OP, prompt engineering OP. IIT Delhi. Of course, I can visit there. No issues, man. Why the future of prompt engineering is bad? No, who said the future of prompt engineering is bad? It is bright, I said. It is bright. It is bright. भाई ठीक है, अभी बोलता हूँ प्रत्युष, अभी बनवाते हैं, जस्ट गिव मी फ्यू मोर मिनट्स, ठीक है? आज मैं लॉगिन पेज बनवा के जाऊंगा. चैट जीपीटी ओपी, यस चैट जीपीटी ओपी. within the seconds it has given me the graph. See, and this is a 2D graph, right? This is a 2D graph. Let us ask him to plot 3D graph. Let us nahi. If I said, then I said that by mistake, right? But ChatGPT's future is bright. ChatGPT's future is very bright. It would be the game changer. Right? Let us ask him plotting 3D graph. Okay. Can you plot 3D graphs? Can you plot a few 3D graphs with the file I provided to you? Let's see. No. You cannot use this plugins in ChatGPT 3.5. This is something which is available in 4 only. But yes, I highly recommend. It is worth investing in ChatGPT 4. Trust me. It is worth investing in ChatGPT. Thank you so much, man. Kumar Reddy, thank you so much. 3D scatter plot showing the subscription date. Okay. I want you to plot both the graphs for me. I want you to plot both the graphs for me, right? Come on, let's see a 3D graph, guys. Yes, yes, something exciting. Something exciting about to come. 3D graph. Nice, so nice. By so Muzakir, you have to purchase ChatGPT 4, right? So you just have to go to the upgrade to plus. So over here in this three option, you would be seeing upgrade to plus wala part, right? And then you can. Yes. If your CSV allows to do that, then you can. If your CSV has certain amount of data that you can create that chart as well. सब कुछ कर सकते भाई. See, 3D scatter graph for subscription date, country and company. तो भाई इस कंट्री में इस डेट पे कितनी सब्सक्रिप्शन डेट, मतलब it is something, right? Maybe I don't know the CSV file, so yes, you can see over here as well, right? You can see over here as well. It has floated, right? Yep. No. I told you that you just have to switch to advanced data analysis, right? You just have to switch to advanced data analysis part for all this CSV analysis, right? For all this CSV analysis. Okay. So I'm copying it. Load a 3D bar graph showing this, right? So let us ask him to plot another graph, right? Let's ask him to plot another graph. नहीं सोवा, ये ChatGPT 3.5 में नहीं होता. Ask ChatGPT what is today's gold price per gram in India. Okay, we'll try doing that. We'll try doing it. No worries. इसके बाद अपन बनवाने वाले एक लॉगिन पेज. तो जितनी भी नॉन टेक जनता है, अगर तुम्हें कोडिंग नहीं आती, तुम आज ChatGPT से लॉगिन पेज बनवाओ और उनको बोलोगे भाई टेक वालों तुम्हारी ऐसी की तैसी टेक वालों तुम्हारी ऐसी की तैसी, ठीक है? Okay. So yes, see, it has plotted a 3D graph for me, right? It has plotted a 3D graph for me, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's try asking what is the gold price, right? What is the gold price in India per gram? Let's see. So of course अभी ये इससे बता रहा है, इसके अकॉर्डिंग बता रहा है, right? For 2021 बता रहा है. But if you try using certain plugins, so might be a plugin over there, then it is updated, right? Okay, fine. अब आते हैं default पे. Let's come to default ChatGPT and let us try downloading a login page. Yep. So let's try. So can you ask that there is yes, we can do that. No worries. So maybe this is a kind of a login page, right? And let's try saving this image. Save image as login one and my desktop. Save it. Let's see. Let's try to upload an image, right? Let's upload an image from my desktop, and that was login1.png. So yes. Okay, guys, आ जाओ बनाते हैं. So I have provided you a image and I want to code this login by using HTML CSS. Can you please provide me with the code? Let's see now. भाई क्या कोड देता है, देखें जरा. Yeah, it will provide you the front end. It will provide you the front end, right? So let's see. दे रहा है 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 दोस्तों, दे रहा है दे रहा है। अब बस ये सेम सेम लॉगिन पेज हो ताकि मेरी इज्जत बच जाए, वरना आज मेरी इज्जत लुट जाएगी। If I will say to ChatGPT 3.5, write a speech in a common specific, you can try doing it. Let's see जनता क्या देता है कि नहीं। लॉगिन कंटेनर टूल बैकग्राउंड ये दिया इसने, बहुत बढ़िया। Yes, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a unique content. Then it will do it. Right? For the backend code, you have to tell him the exact your functionality that you want to achieve, right? The exact functionality that you want to achieve, right? Then you can do it, right? हाँ भाई, बाढ़ वालों कहाँ गए? बाढ़ वालों कहाँ हो तुम? आज दिख नहीं रहे? Where are the Bard supporters? Come in the limelight. देखते हैं भाई, VS कोड में रन करके देखते हैं। I don't know. Bard dead. Guys, ChatGPT or Bard? ChatGPT or Bard? C or B? C or B? C or B? C or B in the chat? C or B? C or B? No, you cannot do that. C. Bard the end. Bard the end. C. Bard dead भाई. ChatGPT, C. Yes, we can do back and forth with ChatGPT. So tomorrow it would be tech session. कल हम लोग कोड को डीबग वगैरह करेंगे, right? COP, C. No more smart. ChatGPT. भाई ChatGPT is a clear cut winner, undisputed champion. ChatGPT, undisputed. Okay. Let's copy this code. And let me open my VS Code. Maybe let's create a new folder. Yes. Paste it, save it. Let's go live. ChatGPT OP. See guys. So this was the image. Where is my image? This was the image, and this is something which ChatGPT made. More or less. Desktop is so clean because I made it clean. I have 3 screens over here, right? So I have passed every mess in the other screen. Yes, almost match. Yes, almost match. In free version, maybe Bada, I don't know about free version, but yes, right? It's cool, man. It's cool. And in tomorrow's session, gradient missing. Yes, gradient missing. In tomorrow's session, we will ask ChatGPT to make this login page completely functional, right? We'll ask him to make this page completely functional. We'll put the functionality in it in tomorrow's session, right? Any doubts as of now, Janta? Sorry. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts as of now? Yes, no. If no, then let's switch to our quiz. Quiz. Shall we? Quiz.
Guys, any doubts so far? Right. So I believe there's a lot of excitement in the chat after seeing this implementation of the front end code, right? So guys, still I'd say all the developers who are there in the chat, do not worry. This is, I guess, only so far that ChatGPT can help. Of course, the minute things, again, human interaction is needed. So that is the reason developers still are hired. Okay, so that is, GPT is basically there to help you get things done, or else you would have spent your half an hour or maybe 1 hour for the new people to creating this. It is just a 5-minute work for GPT. So that is what you can take from this session, that it is just going to make your things easy. It is not going to give you the ready-made solution, right? Tomorrow it is going to be just basically technical session. So as Rishabh said, debugging, making a full functional website, right? Basically the login thing. Lightning finishing, thank you for saying that. See, don't worry, we all are developers here. Of course, after the day, like, we all need to earn money, right? We need to work again, right? So GPT cannot, or else like no developers will be left. So I believe we can switch to the quiz. Any doubts so far? So meanwhile, like, you can again, ask doubts in the session. Like basically the chat, we are still going to still come back again and just close off the session. So again, we'll take 5 minutes there. So let's quickly do the quiz. We have around 150 students. So you know the drill. For the people who are new, I'll explain. Okay, let me just switch the mode. Okay. So yep. And this goes down. Right. So let me just quickly explain you all the people who are Aniket is asking your salary, Rishabh. So that again goes confidential. You'll have to. So that is, you can guess, or you can maybe ask ChatGPT again. Right. So yeah. So the quiz, I'll just start and I'll explain you the rules. It's very easy. You have to just go to kahoot.it and enter the pin, or you can just scan the QR. Right. The questions are going to be on the screen. That is the desktop that you're viewing, and you are going to need your mobile. You are going to need a mobile phone. My voice is echoing again. How is that possible? Anybody, if you can give me. Okay, just a minute. I think now it should be sorted. Just let me know. Don't know why that issue is coming and again. Just quickly know if, and yeah, meanwhile you can start joining while we are solving this echo. I'll just switch my screen. Yeah. Just, yeah, 22 people are still in. I'll just again open up the QR code. There's no link. You have to just go to kahoot.it. I'll just put up www.kahoot.it. This is the link. You have to go here and you have to enter this pin, or you can just scan the QR code that is on the screen. 0178. Right. Okay, so 113 students. So 40 students are actually joined. We are just waiting for more 80 to 90 students. Come on guys, quickly join. You can just visit Instagram and just search LetsUpgrade.in. So that is our Instagram handle basically. Right, you can just go and search that and you should be able to, or you can just go and do Let's Upgrade Instagram and that would come. If you need direct link, I'll do that as well. Just give me a second. Copy link address, and I'm just putting in the chat. Quickly go and follow. So this is the Instagram page link. You can just go and follow us there. 84 students are in, more 50 students. Quickly guys, go and join. Meanwhile, I'll explain the rules again. You will see the questions on the screen. The answers would be on your mobile phone. The questions would be basically the question would be there, and then we'll have 4 options in different colors: red, blue, green and yellow, right? Lightning Phoenix, the classes of JS will be again soon. We are just working on it, and you should be able to see them again, right? So calendar, the new programs would be live maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Then you can find that fits you, right? Tomorrow you can just check the website. Tomorrow, max by day after tomorrow. 93 people, 30 more. We are just waiting. We'll wait for just one more minute, and we'll start off with the quiz. Attendance in the one link, please go and check the description or the pinned chat. You will see the step-by-step process and also the enrollment and attendance link. Go into the link and mark your attendance in the one link, right? And do not leave the stream yet. There's some announcement at the end of the session that we'll make, so whoever is dropping off, stop dropping off and come back again. Okay, I can see students joining now again. That's great. Right, so 94. So I'll start off at 100, and other people can join as and when they can see. Okay, so as soon as we hit 100, we are going to start. And I believe others who basically yesterday quiz, I sent the mail, no response. Do not worry, you will get it tomorrow. By tomorrow max, you will get a response. Do not worry about that. Guys, come on, 8 more students needed. We are at 82 students right now. Game pin is 5044178. 5044178. You can see it on the screen. Okay, I'm going to start the quiz. It's just getting delayed, right? So the first question, guys, is on your screen, and that is basically the title. Okay, let's see your first question. When using comparative prompting, what is the key aspect to consider? So now today we have a 1 minute of timer. Take your time and answer. Today we are giving enough time for you to go and solve that question. Come on guys, 50 students have answered already. Do not look at the timer. You will basically see it after 20 seconds, I guess, due to the YouTube's lag, right? So as soon as you see the question, start answering. Okay, so only 37 people have answered it correct, and let's see who is at the leaderboard. Abhishek Gade, if you're there in the chat, like you're leading, then we have Tanujan, then we have Atish Kore. Let's move on to the next question real quick. How does constructive critique prompting help improve the model? Aradhna, as I mentioned, start answering as soon as you see the question. Do not wait. Do not look at the timer, because you will see a 20-second delay. So if you are seeing 60, that means only 40 seconds are remaining. on, I guess, and then that's the end. 37 people again have answered correct. So there's a change in the leaderboard. We have Abhishek Gade at first, then we have Arvind, and then we have Arun. Please stay in the chat, whoever is leading, and also the other people, of course. And whoever is joining late into the quiz, you still have the chance because it's just 3 questions done. I hope my camera is not blocking anything. Okay, 75 people have now answered. Right. So let's move on. Let's see the leaderboard after the question number 3rd. Again, we have Abhishek, Arvind, and Pushpak. We have a new name in the leaderboard. Let's move on to the 4th question. Few short prompting is characterized by, and then you have the options below. Quickly read the options and start answering. Do not wait, or else you will get low, like you will get less points basically. Again, okay, that's a great number. We are almost 90 answers coming in. I guess, yes, we'll close at 90. 89. Okay, no issues. Right, so again, 32 people have answered correctly. Those who are getting the wrong answer, do not worry. You just know what is the right answer and you can improvise the next time. Let's go on to question number 5. In perspective prompting, what is the primary objective? Come on, guys, answer very quickly. Only 20 students have answered so far. Now I see the chat is literally dead. Hopefully everyone is playing the game. Great. Abhishek, I guess you have already answered. That is why you're here. Okay. Nice. Okay. So 62 people have answered this correctly. That's a great number. Like, I hope this makes sense that everybody is answering answering correct means you're understanding what you have thought, right? So yeah, we have Faizan who is new in the leaderboard. Congrats, Faizan. And we have again the same names, Abhishek and Arvind. Let's move on to the second last question. Everyone, please watch your screen. This is the second last question. Okay, so almost 70 answers. Quickly, guys, come on. "83, 84, 84 answers. 85 people have answered this. 37 have again. Who are the 37 people, guys, who are answering it correctly again and again? So again, that leaderboard has changed. We have Abhishek, Arvind, and Arun on the top three, right? So last question, guys. So Pushpak and Faizan, you still have chance to come up if you answer the question as soon as you see. Okay. So let's move on to the last question for the day. Which type of prompting allows the model to generalize better to new tasks in engineering applications? Come on, guys, answer quickly. We still have, I guess we have just got 40 answers and only 30 seconds are remaining. Okay, so we have 80 responses so far, 75, going close to 80. Right, so let's who is the first, who is going to be the first winner? Please, any guesses in the question is basically in the chat. Right, so we have done with the quiz and let's see who is the winner. Right, so on the third place we have Pushpak. So okay, we had first Arun, so that name is replaced by Pushpak. Congrats, Pushpak. And second we have Arvind. Congrats, Arvind. And then we have on the first Abhishek, who is again the winner. Congrats, Abhishek, Arvind, and Pushpak, and all the people who have played, right? So this makes us feel that okay, so you guys are understanding what you have thought. And tomorrow again, with the same ritual, we are going to do one more quiz again at the end of the session. Please take a screenshot of the winners of this particular screen and mail us at support@letsupgrade.in. And people who have also mailed yesterday, you would get a reply by tomorrow max. Tomorrow afternoon, you should be able to get a reply. Okay, I'm just going to put the link again, support@letsupgrade.in. What all things do you need to put is your Insta handle. I'm just writing Insta handle, a good photograph, and your proper name which you want to be printed, right? So with that, I'll again call upon Rishabh, if you are there.
Yep.
Let me switch. Not sure why this looks like this, but okay, just a minute.
No worries, we can end it, right?
Yeah,
Nothing
will
else
end.
to say, guys. And yep.
So before we end, right, all the students in the chat, I want you to guys to please write, please like give a huge shout out to Rishabh, who is your trainer. He's not well today. He is basically having fever, but still he is there teaching you ChatGPT and basically non-tech people to how to create login. So let's have a quick shout out, a good shout out for Rishabh to cheer him up so that he gets well, right? So thank Rishabh Bhaiya, like we are that's great. Thank you, Rishabh, for like turning up, and we'll do this again. So we hope you get fine by tomorrow,
Yeah.
right? Chalo, bye bye. Bye guys. We'll see you tomorrow,
Bye, guys.
same time, right? And with that, I hope, yeah, please practice. Yeah, thank you everyone for being here. Bye bye.